How to order food on Zomato for first time. To order food on Zomato for first time, proceed to open up Zomato application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now I've already made a video on how you can create your account, so you can do that. Now next thing is to get your order. Tap on that particular order. You can add orders from particular restaurants that you like to order, and then tap on view cart and proceed to checkout. So if it is your first time, you'll be able to get the promo code here extra. Now you will also have to verify your phone number before placing your order, but once you have done so, scroll down below and proceed to make your payment, or select your payment method and confirm your order. You'll get the option to confirm order down below instead of verify phone number, and you are good to go. Also check your delivery location, your phone number and instructions properly. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe.